In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Wise account number. If you want to share your Wise account number with someone who's sending you money, or you just need to confirm the exact details for a specific currency, this process is quick and straightforward. Everything happens right from your Wise dashboard, whether you're using the web or the mobile app. Once you're on your Wise dashboard, look for the list of currency balances. You might see balances like USD, EUR, GBP, or others, depending on what you've added. Click or tap the currency you want the account number for. Choosing the correct currency is important because Wise gives you different details for each balance. For example, your EUR balance won't use the same format as your USD or GBP balance. When that currency page opens, you'll notice a large number showing your available balance. Just below that amount, Wise displays the banking details for that currency. This is where you'll find the account number and related information. Depending on the currency, you may also see details like an IBAN, sort code, routing number, or a SWIFT BIC. These are all normal variations based on how banks identify accounts in different countries. Use the details that match how the sender is paying you. For instance, local transfers often use the local account number and routing or sort code, while international transfers may require an IBAN and SWIFT. If you want to see everything in a clearer, more complete view, simply click on those details. That expands the information and shows it in full, making it easy to double-check each line and copy what you need. Wise usually provides convenient copy buttons next to fields, so you can paste them into a message or a payment form without typos. Take a moment to confirm the currency, the account holder name, and any reference fields if they appear, so the payment reaches the right balance. That's it. Once you've clicked the currency, looked just below the balance amount, and expanded the details, you have everything you need. If you don't see account details under a particular currency, it can mean that account details aren't available for that balance or region. In that case, reviewing another currency balance you hold often clears it up. To recap, open your Wise dashboard, choose the currency you want, check just below the big balance amount for your account number and related details, and click to view them in full. Keep those details secure and share them only with trusted senders. And there you go. That's all you need to find your Wise account number quickly and confidently.